Hi guys, welcome to the Quiz Network. There are 3 exciting levels including numbers, letters, emojis and math questions. In this video, total 40 questions. Time limit 10 seconds for each puzzle. Every correct answer equal to 1 point. Thanks for sharing your score and feedback on the previous video. We have truly appreciate your support. Now, are you ready for this challenge? Let's begin with some easy level. Guys, Super Eyes can find the odd one 5G within 10 seconds. Yes, you find it the odd one 5G within 10 seconds. Are you smart? Then find the odd flower within 10 seconds. Super job! This one is the odd flower. Can you find the odd letter like H2O? Fantastic work! You find it the odd letter like H2O. Number Ninja Master can find the number 61. You are a number ninja master. You find it the odd number. Think fast, find smart, find the odd monster within time. Super Cat, you find it the odd monster. Can you find the imposter letter like HR? Good job, you find it the imposter letter within time. Puzzle Master can find the number 40 within time. Amazing work, this one is an odd number. Super Eyes can find the odd pistachio cream within time. Yes, you find it the odd cream within time. Exciting math challenge. Can you solve these math quiz within 10 seconds? Amazing work. 23 answer is the correct answer. Can you find the camouflage number like 85? Super job, you find the odd camouflage number. Easy level done, medium level start. Anybody can find the odd letter like X or B. perfect spot, you find the odd letter. iPhone user can find the odd iPhone within time. Good job, this one is the odd iPhone. Can you catch the odd number like 962? Good job, you find the odd number within time. Only alphabet spy can find the odd letter like LOH. Amazing work, this one is the odd letter. Only eagle eyes can find the odd rainbow ice cream within time. Yes, your eyes like a eagle eyes, you find it the odd one. Are you smart? Then find the odd number within time. Yes, you find the odd number within time. Another exciting math challenge. Can you solve this math quiz within given time? Super catch, 26 answer is the correct answer. Can you identify the odd ice cream within 10 seconds? Yes, you identified the right ice cream within time. Test your observation skill, find the odd number within time. Yes, you did it. You find the odd number. Can you pick the odd letter like A or T? Awesome! You pick the odd letter within time. Think fast, find smarter, find the odd watermelon ice cream. Fantastic work, you find it the odd watermelon ice cream. Can you find the strange number like 802? Excellent, this one is the odd strange number. You are smart like letter hunter, then spot the odd letter like SEE. Yes, you find it like a hunter. Test your brain IQ, find the odd lychee within time. Yes, your brain IQ is very fast. You find it the odd lychee. Impossible to find the odd number within given time. I know this one impossible, but you find it within time. Super eyes can find the rule breaker letter like I and T. I know you have a sharp eyes. You find the odd rule breaker letter. General knowledge quiz. Which planet has the shortest day in our solar system? Good job. Jupiter is the correct answer. Test your IQ. Find the number 904. Your IQ is very sharp. You find it. Can you spot the odd letter like ZPT? Yes, you spot the odd letter within time. Can you find a unique number like 579? Perfect spot. You find the unique number within time. Medium level done, hard level start. 99% failed to find the odd emoji within time. Fantastic, you catch the right emoji within time. Only sharp eyes can find the odd number within 10 seconds. Can you find the odd letter within time? So far you find the odd letter within time. Brain IQ find the odd number. Challenge puzzle. Can you find the odd letter within time? You faster than a computer, find the odd blueberry within time. Amazing work, you find it the odd blueberry. Visual eyes challenge, find the odd number within 10 seconds. Brand booster, can you find the odd letter within time? Can you find the different number within 10 seconds? The last one, can you solve this math quiz within given time? The right answer give me in the comment box. Thanks for watching this video. Comment your score. How many did you find the odd numbers, letters, emojis and math questions? And subscribe the channel.